Among the various ways to earn a good income online, GPT Offerwalls, such as games and online surveys, are quite popular. Just yesterday, I uploaded a video showing how much can be earned through them in 2025. In the follow-up video, we showed how one of our users earned $10,000 from a single app. I also raised the question, just like surveys can be bypassed, is it possible to bypass games in the same way? Many of you have been requesting this type of content for a long time. Though I couldn't upload it earlier due to time constraints, I finally decided to cover this topic in detail. Ever since the topic of game bypassing surfaced online, many, including myself, have fallen victim to scams while trying to learn it. So before diving into a full discussion, let's first look at some proof. Just check the time shown in the bottom left corner. For security reasons, I've blurred out the app and Offerwall names in the video. Even though I'm completing it quickly here, this isn't the ideal way to do it. I'm currently inside one Offerwall. While there are many Offerwalls where games can be completed, I'm using this one just for demonstration purposes. I've already installed the game, completed all the required steps, and now I'll start playing it. Look, I played the game for a short while. Now, if I go back into the game and try to show you what's happening, you'll see that one of the conditions is now marked as complete and over $5 has been added to my account. Over the past few years, I uploaded several live videos showing income from games, but unfortunately, many of them were taken down by the game companies. So in this video, I'm keeping the screen smaller just to avoid any copyright strikes. Now, I've completed another condition from the same offer wall and another $3 has been added to my account. If you pay attention to the time, you'll notice I completed this in just 5 minutes. Let me now open the application and show you. Has the balance really been added? Look, at first it shows zero balance, but after I refresh the screen, you can clearly see the new balance has been added, along with 2 completed task points. If I check the history tab, you'll also see the same update confirmed there. So this proves that yes, just like online surveys, game bypassing is actually possible. Depending on the offer wall, different apps and offers can be bypassed, but each method varies. That's because each offer wall uses its own unique network, so the process has to be adjusted accordingly. Some people can only bypass a few very specific games. Others use pre-made codes while some complete it manually step by step. Among the many methods available, certain games like Township, Coin Master, ColorWood, Age of Coins, and Call of Dragons can all be bypassed through specific techniques. There's also another system for completing games like Yahtzee Yard, Solitaire Tile, and similar puzzle-style apps. If you're able to complete KYC, Know Your Customer, verification, then your earnings can boost significantly. However, I must say, this whole process requires advanced skills and is not an easy task. Let me share a bit of history. Back when everyone was focused only on surveys, I was the first on YouTube to show you how to earn from games. And when that became popular, I even demonstrated how to use tools like Game Guardian to complete these games more easily. If you haven't watched the previous two videos on this topic, make sure to check them out. And finally, if you're interested in more advanced game bypass topics or KYC related methods, you can visit our Telegram channel and vote to share what you'd like to learn next. If we see enough interest from the community, we'll try to bring you something exciting and new very soon.